Hey guys, welcome back to Ivy Crypto, back again with another Polygon MATIC video and update. MATIC, let's get into it. Currently trading at $1.19, down from a 7-day high of about $1.70. So obviously the market as a whole is down, as we've been discussing in previous videos. I do think June is going to be a bit of a red month, and then July onwards we will hopefully see some green again. So I think still great price to buy MATIC at right now. Obviously the lowest that it's been in quite a while. Here we had the other low at $1.30, and down here we had a low at $1.16. So I think it is a great entry point if you are a long-term investor who is looking to hold MATIC on its way into the top 10, as I do think it is on its way. So let's get into the charts. So the price is a bit under pressure at the moment. MATIC does seem to have lost some temporary momentum after surging to all-time highs to 273 in May. The coin's price has declined 72% since, and then rebounded by 231% and faded again. MATIC is currently trading at $1.12, bringing its total market cap to more than $8.6 billion. It is the 16th biggest cryptocurrency in the world currently. So the price forecast, guys, on the 4-hour chart that we're looking at right now, we see that MATIC price has struggled substantially in the past few weeks. The coin has formed a descending channel that is shown in blue. It is currently between this channel and slightly below the 25-day and 50-day moving averages. The relative strength index, also known as RSI, has also dropped to about 35. At this point, the path of least resistance is in the near term is lower, but still, due to how this channel looks, we can't rule out a situation where the price rolls back. To do that, bulls really need to push it significantly above the upper line of the descending channel. So obviously, guys, I don't think we are going to do one of these anytime soon. Just like I said, you know, we are surrounded by bad news this month, and it does seem to be a bit of a bearish time in the market. I don't think we are going into the bear market, but something to keep in mind here. I do think, as I've said, this is a great entry point. So let's get into some news that is worth talking about. Great article here, 3 reasons why Polygon has emerged as an alternative to Ethereum. We've got 1, transaction count. The daily transaction count can hit an all-time high of 7.4 billion as per data collected by John in our network newsletter. Binance Smart Chain based Polygon network had a smaller ecosystem of DeFi applications which were already battle tested on Ethereum. The above chart highlighted the surge in transaction counted node on the Binance Smart Chain in May. The transaction on BSC scaled from under 1 million over a day to 11 million a day. While Polygon followed this upward trend, Ethereum transaction count remained under $2.5 million a day. Number 2, accessibility. While high network fee caused by the use of DeFi applications on Ethereum pushed users away from its ecosystem, Polygon offered similar dApps as Ethereum but with low fees. This was inviting for the DeFi users seeking a similar experience. QuickSwap and Aave proved to be extremely crucial for Polygon's growth. QuickSwap, Polygon's variation of Uniswap, boarded more unique than any other dApp. And then here, interest and adoption, which is number 3. MATIC was keeping up with the positive sentiment within the community as it maintained its value above $1. At the time of this article, MATIC was trading at $1.44. This was a couple of days ago, with a market cap of $8 billion. Interest for MATIC also grew over the last year, as seen by Google Trends, which you can see in this chart. The project received vocal support from Mark Cuban, as discussed in previous videos, who is invested in this project. In February 2021, MATIC's market cap stood at just $200 million. In 4 months, the growth in the asset's fundamentals was reflected in the price as well. This has resulted in a growing number of MATIC hodlers, like myself. I managed to get in at a good price point. I did mention in a previous video that I missed out on this one when it was absolutely flying. Thankfully for the June end of financial year sales, as I'm calling them, in the red, it has given me a great entry point. Onto some more news, guys. Polygon committing 10 million to reach 1 million users using OX API. The project said it anticipated an influx of new DeFi projects onboarding onto the 0x ecosystem. So this is great news, guys. Obviously, they are investing in getting more users. In the announcement, they said its project will be committing $10.5 million towards securing decentralized finance infrastructure on its network through the support of developers and projects. The project said it anticipated an influx of new DeFi projects onboarding onto the 0x ecosystem, with initial support offered for MATIC, DexGuru, DexKit, MyCrypto, Set Protocol, Zapper.fi, and Zeroin. 0x released a Polygon version API for its decentralized exchange liquidity aggregator, opening up the 0x API tool to the expanding Polygon network. The API allows major Ethereum-based DEX liquidity channels, including SushiSwap, Define, Curve, Dodo, MStable, QuickSwap, and Cometh, to integrate to Polygon. So, great news here. More news. MahaDAO set to launch collateral-backed stablecoin on Polygon. So Polygon DeFi matrix is set for further expansion as MahaDAO readies the launch of the world's first value coin on the network. MahaDAO's value coin is a collateral-backed stablecoin with added yield farming capabilities for the algorithmic stable currency. So obviously the addition of a stablecoin onto Polygon is good news as well, and does add to the ecosystem, which I really like. I personally won't be buying the stablecoin, but I do think that it's good for the ecosystem. More news here, connecting Polygon to the multi-chain world via Hot Protocol with $200,000 in liquidity awards. So Polygon also announced a full stack scaling solution for Ethereum, formerly known as MATIC Network, has announced a $200,000 liquidity program with HOP to connect Polygon to the multi-chain world. HOP's vision is to connect the fragmented Layer 2 landscape and enable seamless asset transfers and composability between DeFi applications on various networks. The HOP protocol provides a scalable token bridge for Ethereum's scaling ecosystem using a two-pronged approach. The end result allows users to seamlessly transfer tokens from one network to the next. See the demo below. So this is an 11-second video, guys. Polygon to Ethereum withdrawal in 1 minute and 30 seconds instead of 3 hours. ETH DeFi will become multi-chain DeFi soon. So this is super, super, super exciting stuff, guys. Up next, we've got an article talking about the top 5 NFT projects on Polygon MATIC. So let's just go through them. Number 5 is Decentraland. Number 4 is Aave Gotchi. Number 3 is Merall. Number 2 is Cargo. And number 1 is OpenSea. So because of its high importance and adoption by a large number of crypto users, OpenSea recently migrated to the Polygon network. To the Polygon MATIC Layer 2 solution. It's number 1 on our list of top 5 Polygon MATIC NFT projects. So MATIC Ethereum Layer 2 ecosystem is growing despite the recent slump in the market and the fall in the MATIC prices. The bearish sentiment hasn't stopped the ETH-based top 5 NFT projects to migrate to the top Layer 2 solution for escaping generally high fees and settlement times. As we've discussed, guys, Polygon has an incredible ecosystem, a great platform, and the fees are a big deal. Obviously, we go on and on YouTube and in the space about Ethereum's fees. So this is why you're seeing these projects migrating to MATIC and why this is going to continue to happen, similar to what will happen once Cardano launches smart contracts. And last but not least, guys, I wanted to throw out there's an article, $50 MATIC prediction for 2025. There's a couple of different journalists here that have set their prediction. All of them are completely different from each other. So digital coin price said $2 by the end of the year, $4.35 in the next 5 years. I think this is a ridiculous prediction, and I think that MATIC will pass this in 2021, personally, if we stay in a bull market, which I think we are. Coin price forecast gives a target of 341 by the end of 2021 and 657 in 2025. Again, I think this is super low. I think we'll pass this in 2021. And these two seem to be very conservative in their prediction. Coinpedia predicts MATIC could go as high as 580 by the end of 2021. It's giving its reason here. And then beyond that, Coinpedia said a $50 MATIC price is plausible in the next 5 years if we see an unprecedented crypto bull market. To be honest, I don't think that we need an unprecedented crypto bull market for MATIC to hit $50. If you look at other cryptos that do similar things as Polygon MATIC, the $50 is not unrealistic, especially in the next 4 years, as we're going to have another Bitcoin halving, and as we know, that will trigger another bull market. So we may go into a bear market next year or mid 2022, whatever it may be, but then we are going to have another bull market, and $50 MATIC is just, realistic. I think it could be more than that. Well, let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and I've got my top 10 altcoin picks on the screen if you'd like to have a look. And as always, watch this space.